Hi everyone, I'm Joubin Gabbay. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon from Beverly Hills, and there's a...
Yeah, perfect.
Hi everyone, I'm Joubin Gabbay. Actually...
Oh my God. All right, one more time. Nope.
I heard you.
What the Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Joubin Gabbay. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon from Beverly Hills. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite skin treatments, Trifecta Therapy. You might be wondering, what exactly is Trifecta Therapy? Trifecta Therapy is a specialized skincare treatment that harnesses and combines the regenerative power of microneedling, platelet-rich plasma, and a stem cell growth factor serum. But Dr. Gabbay, do I benefit from Trifecta Therapy? The beauty of Trifecta Therapy is that pretty much anyone can benefit from it. Anyone from an average person who just wants to make their skin look better, to people who have specific skin complaints and problems that they want to improve. Large pores, acne scars, rosacea, discoloration, age spots, pretty much all across the spectrum. You might be wondering, what's the difference between microneedling offered by your local esthetician versus Trifecta Therapy? Trifecta Therapy is definitively not the same as just your run-of-the-mill microneedling thing that you can get from an esthetician or Amazon. It's very specialized and it requires a medically trained professional to perform it. The reason is this: microneedling, in the context of Trifecta Therapy, it requires a specialized device that goes into the dermis of your skin, so into the deeper layers of your skin at a very precise level and with a very precise technique to stimulate the best skin regeneration. Opposed to that, so on the other side of that coin, is one of these treatments that you can get, again, from an esthetician or online. Those things are legally only allowed to go into the topmost layer of your skin and ultimately don't do nearly the same as what a true medical grade microneedling device will do. Okay, but is this a long procedure? How long does it take? So Trifecta Therapy truly is a lunchtime procedure. It takes less than an hour from the minute you walk into my door until the second you leave. The process of microneedling and Trifecta Therapy is very straightforward. Basically, the second you walk into my office, we're going to bring you into our treatment room and put on a very special numbing cream onto your face. Now, the reason why this is so special is that I think it is one of the key factors in making Trifecta Therapy super easy, super comfortable. So as a cute story, we had to try a lot of different numbing creams until we found this really magical one that we use. And really, as a side note, my poor wife had to suffer through a lot of the, let's say, less than great numbing creams until we found the one that was super comfortable for her and ultimately for you. So the decision on how deep we put those microchannels into your skin, it's based on multiple factors. One, of course, is actually the thickness of your skin. So as an example, the skin of your lower eyelid and your upper eyelid actually is the thinnest skin in your body. And just to correspond to that, we're going to use a shallower depth because we don't need to go in so deep. But also then we talk about other areas of the skin, other conditions of the skin. Let's say someone who has deep acne scars. those are going to require a little bit more depth in the microchannels to help give a better response and better repair of that skin. Now you might ask me, what can I expect after the procedure? One of the great things about Trifecta Therapy is that after the procedure, the recovery is super easy and very short, as opposed to a lot of more invasive treatments for skin rejuvenation, things like laser and other really invasive things that leave you red, swollen, flaky, peely for about 2 weeks. Trifecta Therapy is totally the opposite. You're gonna leave my office with just a little mask of that platelet-rich plasma and stem cell growth factor serum on. Now, this mask is just a simple little yellow crusty appearance that is actually not that noticeable. This is very different from the crazy blood-soaked sort of mask that Kim K made famous with her vampire facial all those years ago. This is different. You might be wondering, is this going to take a lot of upkeep at home? I have my patients go home and just go to sleep with the remaining platelet-rich plasma on their face. In the morning, I have them wash it off with a gentle cleanser, and you'll just see that underneath your skin is at worst a little red. That redness is usually gone by lunchtime that next day, and you'll see that immediately your skin is glowing, it's softer, it feels better, it looks better. Okay, but how many procedures is it going to take for you to get any results? So a really important question is how many treatments are necessary to really see the result of Trifecta Therapy? The good thing is that you will start to see a glow to your skin and definitely improved quality of your skin even after one treatment. But for the best result, I really recommend 3 treatments, each separated by a month, to get you started, and then maintenance treatments every 3 to 6 months after that. All right, but what can I really expect in terms of results? One of the nice things about Trifecta Therapy is that the results will show immediately. Right after the treatment, your skin will be more fresh. It'll have a nice glow to it. But what really is great is that the regenerative response actually starts to kick in several weeks after the treatment. And for months, basically, the skin will continue to improve in quality. The skin will glow more. It will become thicker. Fine wrinkles may disappear. You'll start to see better color tone of your skin, so the color will even out to match just the general skin tone of the rest of your skin. People with larger pores will see pores shrink down, and those with rosacea will see the redness of the skin start to dissipate and even out, and again, match the rest of your skin.
Hey guys, this is me 2 days after my microneedling with PRP at Dr. Gabbay's office, and as you can see, I have very minimal bruising, if any. Just a little bit on my under eyes, the sides of my nose, my upper lip, where my skin is already really thin and sensitive. There was no downtime at all after the procedure. I went straight to work, which is great. No pain. After 1 day, the redness, the inflammation went away completely. I'm a little dry and tight around my jawline, which is normal. Other than that, I feel totally great. We did my neck and my chest too, and everything is looking cool.
All right, guys, I had a great time talking to you about Trifecta Therapy. It's definitely one of my favorites. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. I'll be sure to answer them for you. And if you want to see more about what I do at my office, the treatments, the procedures, definitely subscribe. I think we'll have fun talking together. You'll love what I have to show.